So it's been a long time since I made a YouTube video. Had to bring you guys along for this adventure. We are creating a garden bed in our side yard. And so let me show you what we're working with. So we just picked up all the wood and laid it out. We're going to stain it and treat it. We chose the stain and seal in the color cedar, so it looks like cedar wood, which is beautiful in an outdoor garden space. I am really tired of the sandy section here, so I'm going to create a raised garden bed and put in some flowers. This area is full sun, especially during the summer, zone 10. View from the other direction. We just got the wood from the hardware store and we don't have a saw. Look at how my husband has to cut this wood. We are finished with the gardening and my husband even made a bench. How cute is that? Let me show you what we have starting in the back. We have a tree. I'm going to call it a specimen tree. It's a Genie Magnolia. They're going to grow to be about 10 feet tall. Well, the tree is, and it has purple. It looks like tulips, but they're magnolias. Absolutely gorgeous. And trailing in the blue pot, we have baby sunrose. Baby sunrose grows to be about 6 inches tall and 2 feet wide. It's gonna trail down that blue pot. Beautiful. Around it, we have Sunpatiens, and in the corners, we have Mondo Grass. I love that this is actually opposite of my kitchen window, so I will be able to look out when I'm in the kitchen and see my beautiful garden here. And let's take a walk on this side. Starting behind our big tree, we have Persian Shield. Persian Shield is a plant with green and purple leaves. It's going to grow up and really bushy around this plant, around my tree. It likes shade, but that's why I planted it here, because it's going to be in between the fence and the tree, so it shouldn't get too much crazy full sun. And I have another one planted on that side to fill in the back. Back over here in the corner, that is a President Hibiscus with red coral flowers. I've had this vining plant there. That's Algerian ivy. And in this pot is, I have notes here, Purple Heart Tradescantia. And this is a plant from 2 years ago. It keeps coming back for us. And this is gonna grow to be about 1.5 feet tall and round. Just got a nice fill in this spot. And on this side by the fence, this is called Blue Diamond Delphinium. It likes full sun, and we live in a zone 10, so it's going to get full sun over on this side of the house. Delphinium should grow to be about 16 to 24 inches high and about 1 foot wide, so just filling in this little space. And then we have this row. This is a plant from last year as well. This is Sprengers Asparagus. Sprengers Asparagus grows to be about 2 feet tall and 4 feet wide, so it's going to fill in this space nicely. And then in the very front, I have a row of proven winners, Supertunia black cherry petunias, and they will fill in this space here. And I'm hoping that if they grow a lot, I can dangle it over the wood. So here's a view from this angle. Overall, I'm loving my garden, and hopefully I have inspired you to get out there and play in the dirt, get dirty. Bye guys.